What's up guys, Dave with Fixing for Fun. Today we've got a fun quick little project. I was doing some masonry work the other day and I broke my wheelbarrow. And it's just not good. But anyways, I went and bought myself a brand new Jackson. Nothing but the best. But I'm going to fix this old girl and put her down to a rental property. So I got myself some new handles leaning up against the trailer. So let's go swap them out. So there's only one bad one, but this one's probably not far behind. You can see pretty dry rotted and cracked up through here, and I'm going to bet I can snap it pretty easy. What do you guys think? Yep. And that right there is where you only have a place to. Okay, and just like that, we've got new handles on the wheelbarrow. So anyways, we're going to burn these other ones. We're going to put this in the shed for our next little project that we get, probably in 10 years or so. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.